Metro service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 8 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Haynesville or over Montague, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Montague, Haynesville, and High Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, New Jersey,